Freshness is a proxy for operational validity. Algorithms prioritize real-time data to avoid sending users to closed or dormant businesses. A static profile looks like a dead entity, right? If LLMs are all about certainty, they want to provide a really good answer and be helpful. And if they're not sure if someone's open because their data is old, they might not update them. Also, I've seen a lot of evidence Google after about 6 months. If no one's messing with your profile, if you're not doing anything, you may get deranked. So how do you optimize for freshness? On Google Business Profile, post regular images, respond to every review and respond to it quickly, and update your business description seasonally to prove that you're open for business today. I don't know how many business descriptions have been sitting for years and years without updating. This is just a really easy thing to do. I know Kaci used to do this at Dick's Sporting Goods all the time, right? When you worked there, you would make sure to update
I
things.
was on a quarterly cadence. And if you think about a business like Dick's Sporting Goods, it is highly seasonal. I mean, there's sports at all different points of the year, but yeah, it's so easy to do. Just sprinkle a little newness in there. And then with that, your local landing pages. This is definitely something that, at a minimum, I would say quarterly. Publish regular updates, events, deals, blog posts, anything that you can do to create a signal that you are participating in this page, that you are keeping it fresh, that you're keeping it updated. Make sure that it's worthy of being crawled and checked again.
And you want to make sure you're posting across all your social handles. We say at least weekly. It should definitely be more than that. But at a minimum, at least just have an account set up for channels that you don't have a posting strategy for yet. And then hopefully you can get to the posting strategy once they're created. But definitely at least keep the lights on again at a minimum.